I've always been fascinated by how small, agile teams, what I like to call tiny teams, can achieve such remarkable results in today's rapidly evolving business landscape. I'm talking about tight-knit groups of 2 to 10 people who move swiftly, make fast decisions, and adapt quickly to whatever the market throws their way. The magic here is in their size. It's easier to communicate clearly. Everyone feels deeply involved, and there's a genuine sense of ownership, all of which drive productivity and innovation to incredible heights. When I first encountered AI automation tools, I quickly realized that this was a game changer for these tiny teams. Suddenly, tasks that were repetitive, resource-consuming, and frankly tedious could be effortlessly automated. This freed up precious time and allowed the team to dive deeper into understanding consumer behaviors, crafting targeted marketing strategies, and engaging customers on a personalized level, things that usually required large budgets and big teams. That's exactly why I believe so strongly in the solutions provided by Best Global AI. When I started using their platform, it felt tailor-made for a small organization like mine. Their process was simple, clear, and effective. First, they integrated AI tools into our existing setup using easily accessible APIs. Even without deep technical knowledge, my team effortlessly began leveraging sophisticated capabilities like natural language processing, image recognition, and predictive analytics. But what really stood out to me was how Best Global AI took the time to understand our unique business model. They didn't just push a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, they recommended specific tools and APIs that genuinely complemented our strategies and amplified our strengths. This approach felt personalized and empowering, aligning perfectly with our goals and existing operations. Then, their automated marketing platform stepped in, transforming our marketing efforts. We automated content creation, optimized ad placements, and personalized interactions across channels. This allowed our small team to deploy comprehensive marketing campaigns that were previously unimaginable without substantial resources and manpower. I've also seen firsthand how AI-native companies, businesses designed around AI from day one, can grow rapidly and sustainably. A great example is StackBlitz, which skyrocketed to 20 million in annual revenue in just 8 weeks, demonstrating vividly the immense potential of integrating AI deeply and thoughtfully into business operations. Since adopting Best Global AI, our tiny team has thrived. We've increased efficiency dramatically, enabling everyone to focus more on strategic projects rather than routine tasks. Our customer engagement has never been better, thanks to personalized interactions driven by precise AI analysis. We've been able to scale smoothly, handling larger workloads without needing to significantly expand our team. Plus, the predictive analytics has given us invaluable insights into future market trends, helping us stay ahead of our competitors. This synergy between tiny teams and AI automation isn't just theoretical. It's something I've experienced personally. Leveraging Best Global AI has empowered our small team to operate with unmatched agility, efficiency, and a competitive edge. In today's fast-paced market, that's not just beneficial, it's essential.